Hi everyone, I am so excited to be with you today. Our lesson today is on verb to be in the present tense. We will learn how to use am, is, and are. Let's get started. Let's look at how verb to be is used with pronouns in affirmative and negative statements. Let's start with pronoun I. Repeat after me. You would say, I am. I can't hear you. Louder, please. I am. I am not. You are doing so well. Good job. Now let's look at sentences that begin with I am and I am not. I am happy. I am not happy. I am laughing. I am not laughing. Now it's your turn. Can you fill in the blanks for me? That's right. I am running. I am not running. You got it. Let's move on to pronouns you, we, and they. You would say, you are. You are not. Repeat after me, please. You are. You are not. We are. We are not. They are. They are not. Great work. Next, let's look at some sentences. You would say, you are smiling. You are not smiling. Now it's your turn to practice. Can you fill in the correct verb? That's right. For affirmative, you would say, you are sleeping. For negative, you would say, you are not sleeping. Let's try again. Fill in the correct verb. You got it. For affirmative, you would say, we are studying. For negative, you would say, we are not studying. Can you tell me the negative statement for we are playing? Go ahead. That's right. You would say, we are not playing. Can you tell me the negative statement for they are walking? That's right. They are not walking. You got it. Can you tell me the negative statement for they are riding a bike? That's right. You would say they are not riding a bike. Let's move on. For pronouns he, you would say, he is, or he is not. For pronoun she, you would say, she is, or she is not. Now it's your turn to practice. Can you fill in the blanks for me with the correct verb? Go ahead. That's right. For affirmative, you would say he is eating. For negative, you would say he is not eating. Great work. Can you fill in the blank with the correct verb? You got it. For affirmative, you would say he is writing. For negative, you would say he is not writing. Can you tell me what the affirmative for she is not drinking is? That's right. You would say she is drinking. Great work. Can you tell me what the affirmative for she is not tired is? You got it. You would say she is tired. Great work. You guys did wonderful today. Don't forget to look at the vocab list of all the new words we learned. See you next time. Bye! By the end of this lesson, I can use the verb to be in the present tense with pronouns I, you, they, we, he, and she. I can make simple affirmative and negative statements.